Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and we're sitting in the back of our Ford Transit Connect long wheelbase with our full Legend Fleet DuraTherm liner package installed, meaning we have our wall liners, our door liners, and our ceiling liner and sills, along with our StabiliGrip rigid floor. This is going to bring the ultimate protection to the back of our van, meaning if we're loading in tools, equipment, cargo, whatever, we don't have to worry about nicking a wall or a ceiling and denting it and chipping paint, and then we've got rust and corrosion on the outside and all of that. We've got protection of all of the surfaces in the back of the van, including the floor. Now, the DuraTherm liner also includes a layer of insulation. There's a layer of foil as well as insulation that does two things. It cuts down on road noise. If you've ever driven a cargo van, you know how noisy it is because we just got that sheet metal back here. And it's also a hot or cold box depending on the weather outside. So that insulation is going to help control the road noise as well as the temperature back here. Now, the nice thing about the liners is they actually mount to kind of cross members and various holes that already exist in the van, but there is cavities that you can still put additional insulation behind there if you need that. Now, when purchasing a Legend liner package, we do make it optional to add a floor. We have the StabiliGrip rigid floor in the back of our van here. You can also choose from the Evolve, which is also a rigid floor, but it's about half the weight, really designed for EVs. You can also choose from the Automat Bar, which is a rubber style mat that also is cut very similar. It also includes the sills like we have in here. And so you can add one of those floors for the ultimate in cargo van protection. Now, the Legend liner package is going to include everything you need to install, including plastic push-in clips, self-threading screws, screw caps, your sills, everything you need. The floor installs with just taking out your 4 factory D-rings, putting the floor in and putting them back in. Everything else is either a push-in plastic clip or a self-threading screw. We have install videos that show you how to put this entire thing in from start to finish, so be sure to check that out. Now, if you're looking for this liner package or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it is work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan, and have a good one.